Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad sync not working issues in 2026. So if your changes are not syncing, documents are not updating across devices, or collaboration updates are delayed, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection is one of the most common reasons synchronization stops working. Next, refresh the document and wait a few moments. Temporary connection issues can sometimes prevent updates from syncing properly. Now verify that you're signed into the correct CryptPad account on all devices. Using different accounts can make it appear as if synchronization has stopped. Next, check whether your recent changes have been saved successfully. Unsaved edits cannot sync across sessions or devices. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with synchronization and real-time updates. Next, try opening CryptPad in an incognito window or a different browser. This helps determine whether the issue is related to browser settings. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Privacy tools, script blockers, and security extensions can sometimes interrupt syncing services. Next, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version for the best compatibility and performance. Now restart your browser and reopen the document to establish a fresh connection with CryptPad servers. Finally, if the issue continues, sign out of your account, sign back in, and test synchronization again with a small document. And that's it. You've successfully fixed CryptPad sync not working issues. Now your documents and changes should sync properly across devices without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.